Okay, 51 roll number.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you tell me what is structure?
A structure is a user-defined data type that allows strong multiple type of data in a single unit. It occupies the sum of the memory of all members. The structure members can be accessed only through structure variable. Structure variable accessing the same structure, but the memory allocated for each variable will be different.
Okay, and what is union?
The
Yes.
union is a user-defined data type that allows strong multiple type of data in the single unit. However, it does not occupy the same sum of memory of all members. It holds the memory of the largest member only. In union, we can access only one variable at a time, as it allocates one common space for all the members of union.
Okay, roll number 53, Govind Pawar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you tell me what is token?
The token is an identifier. It can be constant, keyword, string, literal, etc. A token is the smallest individual unit is a program. C has following tokens: identifiers, keywords, constant, operator, special character.
Okay, now roll number 57. 57. Roll number 57. Okay. Roll number 61.
Yes, sir.
So tell me the syntax of while statement, while loop.
Sir, repeat the question.
Write syntax for while loop. Yes, Rushikesh. Tell me the syntax of while loop. '62 number. Rohan Surose.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the syntax of while loop.
While into round bracket condition in curly bracket body of the while loop.
Okay, good. And what is the syntax of array declaration?
The syntax of array declaration is data type array name and in square bracket array size and semicolon.
Okay, good. Now, next roll number is 63. CS Tiwari.
Yes, sir.
So you tell me the syntax of switch case statement.
The switch case statement in a C is an alternating to if else ladder statement which allow you to execute multiple operation for the different possible value of a signal variable called a switch variable.
Okay, and what is the syntax?
Switch in round bracket expression curly bracket and the body of switch case.
Okay, so what are the statements used in the switch case body?
Say, switch case value and double slash code to be executed and after a break and semicolon.
Okay. Okay. Now next roll number is 65.
Yes, sir.
So you tell me, what is the use of header file in C program?
What is the use of?
Header files in C program.
एक मिनिट.
Okay.
Header files contain the definition and the set of rule of function being used in the program.
Okay. What is the use of printf and scanf function? What is the use of printf and scanf function?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Now roll number 66.
Yes, sir.
You tell me, what is the use of printf and scanf function?
Printf. The printf function is used to print the integer characters, float, and string values on the to the screen. Scanf. The scanf function is used to the token to the input from the use.
Okay. Tell me the use of C function.
C functions are used to avoid the rewriting the same code again and again in our program. C function can be called any number. Sir, पुढचं येत नाही sir.
Okay. Okay. That's good up to this.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now roll number 61. Rushikesh Sarose.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the difference between local and global variable.
In local variable, which is declared inside function or block, is known as local variable. Global variable, a variable which is declared outside function or block, is known as global variable.
Okay. Roll number 28.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, what is difference between call by value and call by reference?
The description when a copy of value is passed to the function, then the original value is not modified. Call by reference when a copy of the value is passed to the function, then the original value is modified. Memory location, actual argument, and formal argument are created in separate memory locations. Call by reference, actual argument and formal argument are created in same memory location. Safety, in this case, actual arguments remain safe as they cannot be modified. In this case, actual arguments are not reliable as they are modified arguments. The copies of the actual arguments are passed to the formal arguments. The address of actual arguments the passed to their repetitive formal arguments.
Okay. Roll number 26. Vishal Kadam. Vishal Kadam, are you there? Vishal Kadam. Okay.